All right, guys, you're going to learn how to put your TikTok dance video onto this slide. First, you're going to start off with recording it on your Chromebook. So you're going to open up your Chromebook and then open up all your apps and you're going to find your camera. Click on your camera. There's yourself. You're going to make sure you click video so that you can record. Press this button to record, and then up here you'll see the amount of seconds that you're recording. Hoo, hoo, ha, ha, ha. And then stop when you're ready. All right, that saves it to your Chromebook. What you got to do is you got to go back into your Google Chrome, and then you're going to use this little waffle right here, and you're going to go to Google Drive. At the end of all these things over here, you're going to click this plus button, and that's going to come up with File Upload. File Upload, click that. And then for me, it's easier if you click Videos. And I see that today I took a video at 7:27. So I'm going to click that one. Open. And that is going to, look, it's starting to upload on my Google Drive, waiting, complete. All right, now that it's there, I'm going to go to Recent. And just to make sure that my teacher can see my video, I'm going to click Get Shareable Link and then click this button so that people can view it, which is just me. Okay, you're going to go back to that slide that you had, this TikTok dance challenge. Insert video. If you go, oh, there it is. You're going to click that video that you just did, select, and it's right there. So right now it says formatting video, check back later to view it. So it's there. It's just loading slowly but surely. So just stick your video right there when you're finished recording. Let me know if you have any questions.